been trying out oils and searching for a dupe for the Midnight Recovery Oil from Kiehl's at a lower price point. I've tried out the L'Oreal Extraordinary Facial Oil and I really liked it on my skin and for the price. This one today is from the Body Shop and is called Oils of Life Intensively Revitalising Facial Oil. It's a lightweight daily facial oil that's supposed to replenish the moisture and revive the skin's radiance. I've been using this for a few months now, twice a week, just in the night after I've taken off my makeup and cleansed and toned my skin. Now, I've not seen any anti-aging signs with this oil, but it does hydrate my skin really well. It soaks into the skin, leaving it really silky smooth and hydrating it. I apply it about 20 to 30 minutes before I head to bed, as I feel I don't want to wipe this all over my pillowcase. I use about 3 to 4 drops and massage this into the skin with my fingertip for about 30 seconds, avoiding the eye area. And I have to say, I love the scent and it hasn't broken me out as well. It's a very lightweight dry oil, so it won't leave the skin greasy. Is it a dupe for Kiehl's? To me, no. Kiehl's does so much more on my skin and leaves it really glowing. I would suggest this for people with really dry or even combination skin. People with acne or sensitive skin, I would suggest to please do a patch test before putting this on your face. This does come in a dropper glass bottle. You do get these in 2 different sizes. The 30 ml in the UK is £30 and the 50 ml is £38. In the UAE, I believe you just get one size and it is priced at 130 dirhams and the one I got is in 30 ml. I will be adding the ingredient list here for you to read, and the Body Shop is a cruelty-free company. You will find this on the Body Shop website, and I will also put a link to Amazon in the description box. Even though I liked it, I don't think I'm going to buy this again. Like I said, I thought it could be a dupe for Kiehl's. Unfortunately, it isn't. So my hunt is still on to find a drugstore version of the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Oil. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these kind of short to the point reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and support me. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And I'll see you all in my next. Till then, you take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.